Good morning guys, today I'm back with another video. Today I will review Agaro vacuum cleaner, this particular vacuum cleaner which I will use as a car vacuum cleaner, and we'll see how effective it is. I have purchased this particular product in Amazon Great Indian Sale, and I will give you the links if you are interested to purchase this product for cleaning your car inside, especially the carpet areas. You need a good powerful vacuum cleaner with a good effective suction power, and for that I have purchased this. Previously I used this particular vacuum cleaner which is now 35 years old, and it has lost its suction power considerably. So let's open the pack. So here lies the vacuum cleaner. This is the suction pipe. This is the vacuum cleaner. It's quite lightweight and handy. If I compare with this earlier one, it is very heavy. This is a compact light one. Now let me see what are the attachments you are having. This is one. This is the crevice nozzle. This is the carpet cum dry brush. This is the most probably the extension handle. This is for your carpets and floors. There is another one. This is the instruction manual. Come other products they are having. Now let us attach the machine first. As you can see, it has got rotatable wheels, so you can easily move it without any trouble, and it's very light. And here are all the attachments. 1 2 3. This is an extension one, and this is the crevice nozzle for going to the sharp corners. Here we'll use this brush. Ota kholo. Now let me show you how it works. You see how much dust is there. It is full of dust and sand particles. Now I will try to suck this particular sand particles with the help of this vacuum cleaner, this sides also, and see how effective it is. So now you see there is absolutely no dust particles. It's so effective and suction power is very good. It's 21 kPa, so that is very adequate for this type of jobs. So let us do all the carpet areas and I'll show you how clean it is. You can see it has very effectively cleaned the entire carpet. Not a single trace of dust is available. As I am rubbing with my hand, you can see it is absolutely clean. So this vacuum cleaner is very effective. All this dust particles, debris. Once you have completed your job, you need to clean your dust bag. So this is very simple. You open this and here is your dust bag. You see the dust, it has accumulated inside. You see that this is the debris and dust it has accumulated.
ভেতরে যে কালা কালা কি রইল
ওটা কিছু
এই যে পোর্শনটা
ঠিক আছে insert it perfectly. This is way how you clean your interior. So you see the entire job has been done successfully and it very effectively cleans your carpets and interior dusts. So if you are interested to do vacuuming of your car inside, this type of vacuum cleaner is very effective and I should definitely recommend you can go for Egaro brand. It's very good and it's very effectively priced. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding this particular product, feel free to contact me in the comment section below. Thank you very much and good